Are you looking for to fix Facebook Marketplace ban? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. First thing first, move into your Facebook application and make sure you are logged into your account where your marketplace is banned. Once you're in this page, move into your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're inside profile, click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen. You will need to click on Help and Support, and then you have to tap on Report a Problem. Click on Continue to Report at the bottom of the screen. Select Include. In this page, you have to choose Marketplace. Once you're in this page, now in this section, you have to state all the problem that you have been facing on Facebook. Make sure that your marketplace has been banned on Facebook and you want to fix this issue as soon as possible. Please help me recover marketplace feature. Once done, you can also upload a screenshot. Once done, click on Send at the top right corner. Now within 24 hours, they will analyze your account and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.